Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prerequisites and taking immediate action. Make sure your development server is running and listening on the port you expect, for example 3000. Once done, open the correct workspace in Visual Studio Code and inspect Launch, JSON, or your extension run configuration. Also, check your operating system firewall and any antivirus. They often block loopback or localhost connections, so allow the specific port or the node/Python binary to accept inbound local traffic. Next, diagnose the middle layer between VS Code and your app in the integrated terminal run curl or invoke web request against http://localhost port to see raw responses. If that fails, inspect the host's file to confirm localhost resolves to 127.0.0.1 and review VS Code proxy settings or environment variables like HTTP proxy. Then, check for port conflicts using netstat, SS, or resource monitor. If another process holds the port, stop it or change your app's port and update. To finish, restart Visual Studio Code and your development server, then retry connecting. Sometimes cached sockets or stale extensions cause refusal. Make sure your browser isn't serving cached error pages using Cognito or Clear Cache. Examine debug logs and the debug console for stack traces or binding errors so you know why binding failed. If issues persist, try 127.0.0.1 port instead of localhost. Temporarily disable VPN or corporate network filters. And as a last resort, reboot the machine to clear networking state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.